Hello, so today we are looking at the signal path test. A few things just to make note of before I start is I'm using the Soundcraft Signature 22 desk as my console, and then I'm using a phone as my input, using a stereo to mini jack cable, and I'm also using an active speaker. So you may be using a passive speaker which may have mute on the amps that you may have to unmute during your signal path test. In this case, just ask your tutor and they will clear up any details. So the first thing I'm going to do is plug in my stereo input. So for this I'm using channels 17 and 18. And then what I'm also going to do is plug in my headphone jack. So first thing you want to do is just make sure that the music is playing on your audio device and make sure the volume is turned up. Then what I'm going to do is press the PFL button, then put my headphones on, and then as I'm listening to it on the PFL I'm going to gain up till I get about -3 to give myself a bit of headroom. Then I'm going to take the PFL off so I can see the master when that comes out. So I'm going to leave the EQ and I'm going to leave the auxiliaries for this example. So then what I'm going to do is route it to the master, which is a feature on the 22 MTK. Unmute the channel and bring the fader up to 0. And then as I bring my master fader up, you can hear it's come out the master output. So that is all. It's fairly simple from that point on. So just to do everything else, just bring everything back down in the reverse. And there you have it. That is your signal path test. So if it's helped, please just leave a message in the comments if there's anything you're stuck on. Thank you.